Good morning, everybody. I'm Evan Salve, Team Bastic, and today we are in beautiful San Pedro, California, and we are about to ride out in search of big Calico Bass off Palos Verdes' beautiful coastline. Today I am joined by Jeffrey Walker, fresh off a season in San Diego aboard what boat, my friend?
The Pacific Star.
The Pacific Star. It has been a terrible offshore year, but you know what? I tell you one thing, that doesn't mean the bass fishing's not going to go. Words of wisdom, young man?
I think we're going to do good.
Oh, what a soft-spoken young gentleman. Alrighty, we're going to roll out this morning. We've got beautiful weather, placid ocean, and I tell you one thing, if the stars align, like they seem to do sometimes, we could have an excellent day off Palos Verdes. Evan Salve, Team Bastic, Jeffrey Walker, formerly of the Bass Boys. We are here in San Pedro, California. See you soon.
It's not allowed. Morning fishing. There you have it. Nice little PV bass for you. More bait with the toast. Is it just hank? So itsy bitsy bass on the jerkbait had a barracuda. The bass came up right after. I think he's got a little something on his tongue. Pretty bass. On the jerkbait, folks. There you have it. That is the jerkbait fish. Early this morning, we found some warm water finally. We looked at some zones near the south, but the water was just too cold. And if we all know, 57-degree water is just not the condition that we want. There we have it. It's a nice little 3-pound bass. On a jerkbait there. Beautiful fish. We're going to let him go. We found 64, 65-degree water. Everywhere down there was 57 degrees. We got a couple fish in Point Firm this morning, but it's really great to come in here and find some biting fish. There's the quality bass we want. There he is. folks. I'm here off Point Vincennes. It is a beautiful day in August. That was sarcasm. It is actually 57.2 degrees right now, water-wise. The air temperature is not too much warmer. And you know what? I tell you, this is the definition of La Nina. Everybody scream, El Nino! El Nino! You know what I say? I say that this is not El Nino. This is misery. I am not satisfied. Ugh.